Alright, here's the fun part. You don't have to build a Google form from scratch anymore. I was honestly surprised when I found out we could do this. Just scroll down and open the link that comes with this file. Make sure you're signed into your Google Drive first. That part's important. If you're setting this up for clip art, wall art, or posters, just click the matching link. Your browser will open a sample form exactly like the one you'll use. In this example, we're using the clip art version. Once the form opens, click Make a Copy. That's it. Now you've got your own version ready to go. You can tweak a few things if you want, but don't touch the key fields. Leave the ratio, generation type, variation mode, subject categories, and product types exactly as they are. Those connect directly to your automation later. When you're done reviewing, go up to the top left and copy the form title if you want to rename it. Then, click Responses and link it to your clip art spreadsheet. Just like in the last video, click Select Response Destination. Choose your clip art sheet and confirm. Once that's done, your form and sheet are connected. Before we move on, one quick but important check. Make sure this form isn't linked to any old spreadsheet. It needs a clean connection. If you've used this sheet with another form before, it's better to make a fresh copy. Just duplicate the spreadsheet, delete the old form tab, and then relink it. That'll give you a clean Form Responses 1 tab, exactly what the automation needs. And that's it. You now have your form copied, linked, and ready to go. No manual setup, no typing everything again. If you hit a snag or something doesn't look right, just drop a question in the community. We're all figuring this out together.